Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this Apple ID is only used for in the US store. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and facing this type issue that whenever you try to download any app from your app store, you see an error that this Apple ID is only valid for use in the US store. So let's see how can you fix that. So you just have to go back from here. Very first, you have to check that you have a strongest network connection. Then go for settings, go for general. You have to make sure that you're not connected on a VPN. Then go for language and region section. Select region, and you just have to select United States here. Or you can also select United Kingdom. So once you have selected, go back from here, and then you just have to go back. Go for software update. You have to make sure that you are on the latest version. Again, go back and you have to also make sure that you are not subscribed, you haven't any subscriptions, or you haven't any balance into your account. After checking these all, open your App Store here, tap on your profile option in the top right corner, tap on your Apple ID here, verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password, then select country or region option here. You just have to select United States or United Kingdom from here, or which one you have just selected into your Apple ID. So I'm going to select United Kingdom from here and then select the continue option and then tap on agree in the top right corner, and here you just have to add your payment method. If you don't have a payment method, just select none option, then select or add your billing address, your phone number, your name, and after all tap on this done option in the top right corner, and your storefront or your location will be updated into your Apple ID. And after that, you will be able to use your App Store or your Apple ID into your App Store. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue. Or I recommend you have to only select United States in both your Apple ID and also in your iPhone. And after that, you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.